It's been a disastrous 2022 for crypto. Every asset is down significantly in cash value, and NFTs are no exception. But does that mean that NFTs are dying or dead already and will never come back? Or will we eventually see a rebirth of the asset class, just as Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies have gone through boom and bust cycles in the past? Put another way, are NFTs dead? Or are they only hibernating? This video will answer those questions, so keep watching to learn more. NFTs are down in cryptocurrency, not just cash. The reason why some people are claiming that NFTs are dead is that they're down not just in cash terms, but also in cryptocurrencies. For example, Bored Ape Yacht Club regularly had a floor price of over 100 ETH when Ethereum was a multi-thousand-dollar asset. But even though the price of Ethereum has gone down significantly, so too has the floor price of the Bored Ape collection, which sits at just around 69 ETH as of the time of creating this video. The same is true for nearly every other NFT collection you look at. The reason why this is a problem is that you would expect the price of NFT collections to remain constant or even go up in cryptocurrency terms as the price of those cryptocurrency assets decreases. For example, if someone was willing to pay $150,000 for a CryptoPunk during the bull run when they represented 75 ETH, you would think that they'd be willing to pay the same 75 ETH for a punk when that represented $80,000. The truth is that the demand for NFTs has gone down more than the demand for crypto tokens like Ethereum and Bitcoin throughout 2022. That's why people are concerned about whether or not NFTs will ever come back. Does this mean NFTs are dead? We're in a scary spot for the NFT market. There's no way around that fact, but saying that the asset class is dead or dying is a reach. There are some mitigating factors and reasons for hope that investors should look at relating to the future of NFTs. For example, high-priced NFT collections were sustained by wealthy crypto investors during the bull market. It makes sense that these investors would need to offload some of their high-priced assets, like NFTs, while their net worth declined due to their crypto losses. The opposite situation is likely to occur when the crypto bull market returns. When wealthy crypto investors have expanding net worths, they're likely to turn to NFTs again as a means of flexing that wealth. It's also important to consider the history of cryptocurrency as an asset class and think about what that might mean for NFTs. When Bitcoin went through its first boom-bust cycle, people thought it would never come back to its previous all-time highs. The same narrative has played out every market cycle, even this one. Remember, NFTs only got popular this cycle. It's very possible that we're just at the bottom of a boom-bust cycle that's closer to booming than it is to busting. Should you invest in NFTs for 2023 and beyond? This all begs the question, should you invest in NFTs for 2023 and beyond? Or are you better off sticking with traditional cryptocurrency assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum? The answer really depends on your risk tolerance. NFTs, as an asset class, are likely to increase in cryptocurrency terms during the next bull run. But some NFTs, even the most popular ones of today, could die. Picking the specific collections that will increase in value is risky, which means you could experience bigger losses or gains than you would by investing in assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum alone. Ultimately, NFTs may work best as a small part of your portfolio. That way, you have exposure to the upside of the asset classes without risking your entire portfolio on it. What do you think about NFTs? Will they come back with a vengeance during the next crypto bull run? Or did we already see the long-term top of the asset class during the last bull run? Comment your answer below to let us know what you think. If you're interested in learning more about crypto, the metaverse, and NFTs, make sure to obliterate that like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching Metaverse Memo. Until next time.